Canada only. If you are applying for the disability tax credit, there are 3 things the Canada Revenue Agency must see before they approve your application. Most people never explain these clearly, and that is why so many good claims are denied. The Canada Revenue Agency does not approve based only on a diagnosis. They approve based on daily functional impact. Reviewers look at how your condition affects you every single day across normal activities like dressing, meal preparation, mobility, concentration, and planning. They need to understand exactly what you cannot do, how long tasks take, and when things start to break down in your average day. The second thing the Canada Revenue Agency must see is timing. They measure 3 things: how long tasks take, how often problems happen, and whether you can do the task reliably. If you can perform a task once in a while on a good day but you cannot do it reliably, you must say that clearly. If a simple task takes you 2 or 3 times longer than it should, they need to see that in your explanation. These details show reviewers the real-world impact your condition has on your daily life. The Canada Revenue Agency also needs real-life examples, not long emotional stories, just simple, clear situations that show what actually happens. For example, on most mornings dressing takes me 20 to 30 minutes because I lose balance and need to rest between each step. Or, preparing a simple meal takes 40 minutes because I must stop repeatedly due to pain and fatigue. These examples show reviewers the impact without exaggeration and without emotion. Most people describe symptoms instead of functional limits. They write emotional paragraphs or mix too many limitations together. Many people forget timing completely. When that happens, reviewers do not have enough clear information to work with, and the application is delayed or denied. This is where many disability tax credit applications fail. To strengthen your application, focus on daily impact, include timing, frequency, and reliability, and give at least one clear real-life example. Keep emotion out of it and stick to functional limits. When reviewers can see your daily reality in simple language, approval becomes more likely. Canada only. Start here playlist on the channel.